In my previous video, I shared with us a powerful cookbook title that made more than $2,000, and a lot of people hopped on that title and made so much money using the title. In today's video, I want to show us another title that I found out that makes more than $7,000. If you're interested and you want to know what this cookbook title is all about, then make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the title, I'm going to show you the competition, I'm going to show you how much it makes. I'm also going to show you the fastest way to get started working on that title so you don't make mistake or have your book blocked on Amazon KDP. Alright, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Eznaka Sylvester and I share tips to help people succeed and make a lot of money on Amazon KDP. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video for today. Before we go into the video for today, if you are yet to like this video, I want you to hit the like button right now and subscribe to my channel, right? So in my previous video, I talked about how to translate your book using Canva. I also reviewed a cookbook title in this same video, all right? So if you skip it, you'll miss out on that title. Okay, so let's move into the topic for today. So the book we are looking at that I told you makes over $7,000 on Amazon KDP is called the 5-ingredient longevity cookbook. The 5-ingredient longevity cookbook. Now, one of the hack I want to share with you, right? Whenever you come into Amazon and you find a particular book that you want to model, all right, there are not many things you have to do. You have to check out certain things. First, you have to check out the book size, right? You have to check out the book size, the page number, and the book size. This basic information. Number of pages, take note of it. Take note of the book size, right? Because you want to model this book. So you don't do something way more than or way below. You don't want to write the same book and then your pages is around 50 or 60. That's wrong. It should be around 90 to 100, right? So you have to take note of the page numbers. You have to take note of the page size. The second thing you have to check when you're modeling a cookbook, you have to check the interior, right? You want to know what this person actually included inside of this book. Because the truth is, whenever customers want to buy a book, they actually spend their time going inside of the book to see if it is actually worth reading. All right, your interior, the first 5 to 10 pages of your interior will actually convince people to actually buy your book. So you want to see what your competition or your competitors are doing and also replicate it. Starting from how they do their copyright, okay, even how they include the warning. All right, so people make sure that this book is just educational purpose and is not from a doctor or from an expert, right? So their table of content, how it is structured. You want to structure your table of content the same way or even better than this. You might be shocked. What will make people buy your book and not buy this? It's just the quality of your interior, not even your pricing or any other thing, right? So they have the about me section. Okay, so always include the about me in your cookbook. We have the bonus section. All right, maybe I'll be doing another video on this, how to include bonus in your cookbook, because this is going to skyrocket your sales on Amazon KDP. And you don't have to create this bonus. I'll show you a site where you can download this bonus free of charge. I'll also show you how to convert them into QR codes and how to include them in your book. So if it is something you want to see, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you drop in the comments that you want to actually see this video, and I'm going to take out time to make it for us. Okay, so let's look at the title. So this is the interior, this is the formatting of the book. So there's actually nothing special about this. Using Canva, you can achieve this. Then this is the back cover. Okay, this is the back cover. This is amazing. So we have seen all we want to see. So we know we have to include the bonus in our book, right? We have to include an about me in our book. We have to make our book 8.5 by 11. Our book should not be less than 90 pages if we want to beat this guy on this title. If we're going to compete with him on this title, these are the things we have to do. All right, so the third or the fourth thing we have to check is the ratings. Let's see what people are actually saying about this book. So I'm going to scroll down and then we're going to look at the ratings. Okay, let's look at the review. What are people saying about this book? All right, so far I can see people are actually saying something good, terrific, easy, healthy, delicious recipe. All right, someone say he loves this recipe. It's very simple. All right, the recipes are quite tasty. This is amazing. Now, something I want to point out to you is how this guy got his title. Watch what this review says. Ever since I watched the Blue Zone series on Netflix, so this guy actually watched a movie on Netflix and came up with this title for his cookbook. Okay, so this title was born out of watching a Netflix series. So you that you love movie, you love watching movie, how many cookbook titles can you come up with from the movies you have been watching? And this guy has been making a whole lot of money since this year, all because he saw a movie. I actually went on Google to search out this Blue Zone series, and you'll be shocked. The title of the movie is Live to 100. Live to 100. So, and it started in 2023. This is amazing. So, what if you go now on Google and you search for movies that has to do with health, movies that have popular movies that have to do with nutrition, that have to do with health, living healthy, and all those things, and you come up with a cookbook title for it. This is exactly what this author did. You just have to be so creative. This is amazing, and I was blown away when I saw this. Right? So the reviews are actually amazing. Actually amazing. I love all the reviews I'm seeing. So for us to see more reviews, I'll have to sign up, and I don't want this video to be too long. All right, I would have loved to see what this person said about this thought star, but I don't want to start signing in. Okay, so the fourth thing, I don't know the number, right? But I hope you are keeping count of everything I've been saying, is the A plus content. Study your competition's A plus content. See how they structured it. See the kind of design that was used and replicate it. Okay, do something better. One of the things I love about his A plus content is this part. He actually included his series in his A plus content. It is actually possible to include your other books in your A plus content. It's a model on the A plus content that has to do with comparing your books against themselves. So you bring all your books you have, books that are in series, you put them together, and you come down below and tell people why each of them is going to benefit the readers or the consumers, right? So looking at this now, say you already have a title you can work on already. You already have an idea of what to do with 5 ingredients. You can come up with other titles and just put 5 ingredients on it. Okay, you can say 5 ingredients air fryer cookbook. So these are the creativity you have to just sit down and come up with on Amazon KDP, and you see your sales skyrocket. All right. So the A plus content is amazing. Another thing he included in this his book, all right, he included something called editorial reviews. Editorial reviews. So I actually want to make a video on how to do this. It's actually quite easy. How to include editorial reviews in your book. This will make people who are going through your book to decide to buy the book. By the time they see other reviews, all right, it's going to convince them. Just in case you don't have money to buy reviews, right? You don't have money to secure your own reviews using Poppy or other review websites. Okay, you can actually put editorial reviews with your book using AI, and when people come to buy your book, they see it and they are triggered to actually go ahead and purchase your book. Okay, so I want to know what you think about this book title. All right, do you think this title is something you want to work on? All right, did you know about this title before? So drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know your thought about this title. You have to get started writing it right away. I'm sure you have gotten a lot of value from today's video. I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section. Did you learn something new? Did you know about this title before? Right? If you are yet to join my WhatsApp community, the link will be in the description below or even in the comments. So make sure you check it and you join quickly so you don't miss any new update, any new video I'll be dropping on this channel.